Hey guys, today it's me Akib coming back with another video. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to remove and attach your lens to the camera. So here I have a 18 to 55mm Canon lens. So I'll be teaching you how to attach this lens to the DSLR. So first you have to remove the DSLR's body cap, turn it anti-clockwise as shown, and don't remove it fully. If you remove it fully, the dust might go in, so it's better you just keep it like that. Then you have to turn the lens cap anti-clockwise and remove it fully. Now quickly remove the body cap, take it off from the DSLR, and now fix the lens by aligning both the white squares. As you can see, the white square in the camera and the white square in the lens. So make it align and turn it clockwise until you hear a noise, a click sound. So this is how you attach the lens to the DSLR, and now I'm gonna show you how to remove it. So now I'm gonna teach you how to remove it. So for this you have to just remove the body cap and the lens cap and keep it aside. I'll do it now. Just twist it in the opposite side and it will get removed, and open it and keep it aside. Then next lift your camera up. Then on the left side you can see a huge button. Hold that button, and when you're holding it, twist the lens to the anti-clockwise side. So just twist it as shown in the video and it comes out so good. Then immediately keep the lens in the lens cap and take the body cap and fix it by aligning that black dot in the body cap to the red dot in the camera. Then twist it clockwise, so until it gets fit perfectly. You can see the logos are matching, so it should be like that. Then next take your lens, and to fix the lens cap properly, you can see there is a white color square this side. So you have to just align the body lens cap white color square to the lens. Just align it like that and twist it clockwise, just like this. So it's so simple to do it. And another tip guys, never keep your lens like this, so it might roll and fall. So always keep your lens facing top. And that's it guys. Please make sure you subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.